How are you and how days was shaping you?
Yeah, thank you. Good morning and good afternoon to you also. And my day was good and I am full of wins. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also productive day today because I have completed two or three sessions, more than three sessions. So that is why I was thinking, okay, I'm doing something else. That is why it's a productive day. I'm using my new word vocabs in the communication. So that is why it's a productive for me. Yeah, now we are meeting very first time. So ma'am, let's introduce ourselves. Then we will go further. Yes.
Yes.
So shall we
So,
start? You will start.
yes,
Yes.
my name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar. I am a proud of homemaker and a mother of one kid. And I have done Bachelor of Commerce. Apart from this, my hobby is listening music, traveling, cooking, and learning new skills. And nowadays, I am also making my channel also on YouTube. So I was also means I have created that channel as a scratch for learning purpose.
Okay, that's wonderful.
That
Great to know here about you. You learn this language from scratch, and you are here for communicating because this is the good way to learn this language. While we are communicating to others, so definitely you will be fluent and you will be become like grasping all the thing by that. Yeah.
yes,
So thank you so much for giving your wonderful introduction. Now I will introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I hail from Indore, but I am not born from Indore. Actually, I born and brought up from a small village, a small town that is nearby Gwalior. Have you heard that Gwalior MP? It's in under
yes,
the MP. Yeah. So I born and brought up from there, and I will talk about my academic part. So I have completed MBA, and I was working before, but nowadays actually I'm having two kids, so that is why I was thinking, okay, I have to start something. So that is why I'm upskilling myself nowadays. So that is why I'm learning this language. So that is why I started my YouTube channel also, because by the YouTube channel I can enhance my skill, because I can connect it with the new people, and we can talk from the worldwide people also, because when we are talking to others people, like we understand how to express and how to we can observe to other also their culture, their society, we get the knowledge also. So that is why I started my YouTube channel. So that is pretty much about me, and I think that is enough for the introduction part, because people are who are the viewers, they are also getting bored by the introduction parts. That's why.
yes,
Okay. So, being a mother, right? We both are
yes,
the mother. I am having two kids, and I think I also go through your video. So, you are discussing you have one kid, right?
yes.
So, what do you think after having kids? You think like your new birth, rebirth again like that? Because I was thinking of that. That is why I'm asking that question to you.
I will say yes because we have give our time with the kids and always we are surrounding with them, right? So means I think we are living our childhood also in
Yeah,
that,
right,
right?
right.
Because they are doing school, they are coming at home, so everything we are doing ourselves, right? We are serve very happily to them.
Yes,
And apart from that, I will say whenever I try to teach them, so I feel I am also in child as a child,
right, right,
right?
right.
When they play, when with anything they are doing with us, so that time I feel our childhood,
Right, you
right?
are absolutely correct. Because when
Yes,
we was child, because I was say about me, because it's a rebirth can say. Because when
yes,
you will be become a mother, that time your rebirth has come again. Because our life is different before getting the kids. Because we have
yes,
our own life. It means
yes,
we have to think ourselves, we have to make our career, we have to make our society, and we have to many friends, right? In our college friends, so many things is there. But when you are giving a birth of children and your babies, so that time you are getting a new birth. because we don't think about ourselves. We have to think first our children, because what they are doing, and when they are growing up, we have to think about their school, how what school they have to choose, and about their study also. When they are going to they are doing the study, so that time we have to recall all the thing by studying, because we have to teach to them also. That is why. And I think we are not thinking about ourselves, we are just thinking about our children always, because we think, okay, now our career, our life has been completed, but we have to think now our future generation, because we are growing our futures, right, our future generation. So that is why I think it's a rebirth of the mother, like who will be become a mother. They don't think about their own life, they think always their future life, their children's, because they think, okay, if I will compromise anything, so that will be definitely for good future of our children. Because if we are not compromising, like we think, okay, some families I have seen, like they are living with the joint family. So many mothers, they just compromises all the thing, because they think, okay, my children's is also growing, they are getting family, they are getting like environment, all the things. So that is why, like, they are also compromises all the thing. And because that is the rebirth of the mother, can say. That is why. So they accept all the things, and they are accepted the challenges also, what the challenges has surrounding you. So definitely I have seen many mothers, when they will be become a mother, so they just don't follow their passion, they just follow their children's growth, because they think, okay, we are just giving the future generation growth. That is why. Yes, ma'am.
You're saying right. Means in after giving a birth, we cannot think about ourselves, right? We have keep ourselves inside side seat, right?
Right.
First, we have to think about our children, and we think about their future. Means where they will go for study, where they means what they will eat. Something we always think about them, because we don't have a time for ourselves, I will say. So,
Right.
right, for them, their growth, we are always thinking about them, right? Where means sometimes kids also want, Mama, I want to do that, right? So
Right.
we think about them, and for them also we are planning their future. We are saving money. We are
Yes.
saving their time also. We are thinking about their future, how to indulge their time in good way, right?
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I think being a mother, we have so many responsibility, right? So like
Yeah.
actually nowadays, many female persons, they are like who will be become a mother. So nowadays I have seen they are also learning this language, because they think, okay, because I also faced that kind of issues in my college time, so I don't want to be that, like my children is also faced. So that is why now females also learning this language, right? So like I also learned this language because of I was thinking, okay, I have to be upgrade my children, because whatever the challenges I faced in my college time, they don't face that kind of challenges. That is why, right? But they have also different challenges, not about the communication, right? Because
Yeah.
scenario has been changed, and time has been changed, the technology also will be changed, right? So yeah,
Mm.
we have some questions also. Would you like to ask? You can ask also, whatever. I actually, being a mother, we have so many things. And okay, what do you prefer for your children? Like, do you prefer to make all foods at home, or do you prefer to outside food? Like sometimes people, children are saying, okay, mama, you make this. So what do you think about that? Like, you make at home all the food, or like you just prefer to outside food?
I will say I am a lucky mother, because my daughter is not Miss choosy. She doesn't like to outside food also.
Okay.
So I usually make at home only, and whatever she likes, I usually prepare them. So, and I will say about that, whenever I go to outside also. So that time we are not thinking about ourselves. We are thinking what my daughters like, she likes.
Right.
So yeah. So whenever we go outside, so that time also we prefer their choices also, her choices, not our choices.
Right, absolutely. Because I also prefer nowadays, like when my kids are going outside, so I used to prefer like basic things, not junk food. Because when we are going for junk food, so they are also intake the junk food. That is why. Okay, so we have I want to ask something. What was the most emotional moment for you as a new mother?
Okay, so as a new mother, when my daughter went school first time, that was my emotional day. She
Okay.
was crying, I was also crying, and I was waiting outside because she was crying. I cannot see her. I means I could not send my child alone earlier.
Okay.
So that was the emotional time. And second, I will tell first time she performed in annual day. So that day was also emotional for me.
Okay.
That day I will say means I was crying literally. I don't know why means my tears coming out, and I was crying because I will say that is not a that is happy tears. I will say it
Yeah.
was not sad tears because
Right.
I was very happy my daughter is performing on the stage.
Yeah, I would say about my emotional moment when I was actually when I got a expecting baby. That is a very emotional moment because I'm expecting baby. So many problems is coming in my side. So that is why it's a very emotional moment when I got when I was expecting the baby, because I'm very hardly to getting expecting baby. That is why. And when I got a second time I got constantly baby I'm getting, I was getting. So that time it's a when I got a second baby, so that time it's a very emotional moment for me because I'm not expecting I will get again expecting the baby. So that is the emotional moment for me because yeah. So but after having both kids, it's a very good thing for me because I want to do that. If I got a one baby, so constantly I'm getting second baby. So that is us getting fruitful for me because I just take care both kids in a same parallel way. We don't have to take it out the other time. That is why.
Yes, and do you think nowadays people are thinking about second baby? Means they are thinking one baby is enough for us.
Yes.
So, what do you think about that?
I think we have at least two babies because if you have a two babies, so they can easily play to each other and they can share in future, like when they will be become older, growing. So that time they can easily share and they can play. Like actually, I'm having two kids, so I don't want to focus on them because they are not feeling alone because they have a company. So I don't want to whenever I want to go outside for 15 minutes or 20 minutes because they are not a big one. So that is why when I was go outside, so I don't be afraid of that they are at home at alone. So I can't I can easily manage that thing. They can stay at home, both of them, so they can play together, they can watch together, watch TV together, they can eat together. So I think we don't keep on eye all the time because they have a proper time to each other, they can mingle to each other. But when you have a single child, so they feel the alone because see they don't have any company because they are finding the companies to outside. Like they have a whenever they are going outside, so they think okay, they are playing, mama you have to leave me so I can also play here. But my both children are together, so that is why they don't need to other ones, they have to play with them. So that is why I think that is also the good thing. And one more thing, if you have a two children, so in future we don't know what thing is happen because
Yes.
the future is unpredictable, we all knows. So I think at least we have two children. It's boy and girl, we can't say about that, but at least we have two children. For that we they can play together, everything they can do together, they can share in future. Then when they will be growing, they can share their thoughts also because they can't share everything from us, right? Because our age is different, because they are finding a companion. My voice is echoing. So like they are finding the same companion, like they are same age people. Like we are also finding our same age people, because we are comfortable with them, right? But so they are also finding the same kind of same age criteria of people or children's like that. So that is why at least two children's everyone should have, because that is the good, they are also getting the good company by that. That is why. Yeah,
Yes.
many parents, they are like they are working, so they think, okay, how to manage our children and how to give the good education. But I think education is not matter for that, because people are thinking, okay, I'm living a big city, like Bangalore is also, like you are, I think, live in big Bangalore, right? So in
Yes.
Bangalore, I think there is this is the very big costly city. So like if you are living there, so you think first like how to give the good education of our children. But we can say about our earlier time also, they are also educated. It's depend on the children how they are grasping, how they are learning the new things. So we don't think about the education too much, because nowadays I have seen many people like who are parents, they just think about their education. So that is why they think, okay, I have to giving the birth only one children, one kid, don't want go for the two, like that. That is why.
But I will say means we are living in metro city
Yes.
and cost of living is very high.
Yes.
That's why people nowadays they are very afraid about second child, because they also want to keep the comfortable life. They want to keep everything from them. So that's why people are also afraid. And I would say my perspective is same actually. We need two baby, because we means let's think about means I am me actually. So I have a sibling, right?
Right.
Anything happened like emotions, we have to share from them, right? Uh, uh, Means in future if no one is there, so at least sibling is there, right?
Right.
So and I will say means if we have two kids, so uh, we children learn how to share,
Yes.
how to share means share emotions, share things, everything learn from them, right?
Right.
Otherwise, you can see the if means I have seen to my friends also, so, means I have also one kid, but you can see means if people are working, and you can see that kids also. I am not blaming. Kids is stubborn, right?
Yeah.
They don't want to listen to their parents,
Right.
and because we think we are busy, so we keep all demanding, means we are giving all they whatever they are demands, we have to fulfill their demand.
Right.
So that's why the kids are very stubborn nowadays. And if you whenever I am thinking about myself, when I was child, so that time my parents say means I will not give you, because it is not necessary for you. So that time we are not scolding, yeah, we are not screaming, right?
Right.
But you can see nowadays kids, if
Yeah.
you don't fulfill their demands, so they are screaming, they are shouting, right?
Right, right. Because their all demand is fulfilling by their parents, na. So they are being stubborn, and they don't think about because they don't have other kids. So they think, okay, whatever the things that is for mine only. Nobody is sharing for that. That is why. And when they have a two members or two children, so they understand how to share and how to eat and how to together to everything. So that is why like two children is must in our time, like but in future time we don't know what thing is happen, like because their technology is different. Now in our time we are thinking about two kids, like in our parents they having, I think, two four kids or five kids, and our like in our grandparents they have 8 to 10 kids like that,
Yes.
right? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so would you like to ask any questions, so you can ask?
Uh, so you said means we need you told means we don't think about the education, but nowadays people are very fond to education, right?
Yes.
Because earlier they means if our parents were educated, so they also thought no, we have to we have given our child like a better life, for better life. They also provide good education for us,
Right.
right? So nowadays we as a parents we are also thinking about that.
Ma'am, we sorry for interrupt you. We have to think about their good education. But actually,
That,
what people are doing, like they are sending their children, like they are just thinking to surrounding people. What their other people are sending their children in a big school, like very high school, convent school. So why you are thinking about to the convent school? They are giving only the education. You can also give with the nominal and reasonable school. They are also their books are the same. So we have to think of that. Like if you have a two children, so you have to think, okay, we don't go for the higher convent school. We have to go for the medium school. Why you are thinking of that? Actually, people are just showing to others surrounding people, like your children is going their school, so I will also send my children in that school. So we are not saying about like we don't think about their education. We have to think. That is why we are learning, right? Why we are learning this language? Because we want to give the good education of our children, right? So you have to put your efforts for their skills, because we all knows whatever the degree we had done, right? So that is only the piece of paper. Everyone knows, and if you don't have a good communication skills, if you don't have any skills, so how will you survive for any kind of job? So that is why like we have to think about their skills, whatever the skills they want, and good education also. I'm not saying like we don't prefer to good education. We have to think about the medium. If you don't have a amount, good handsome amount for sending your children a big convent school, so you have to go, you have to send your children the medium school. That is the good way to manage all the thing, because people are sending like there is fees is 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees. Why you are sending if you don't if you can't afford? So you if you couldn't afford, so why you are sending there?
yes, you are saying right, means we don't compare means to others people because they have so that's why they are
Yes.
sending there, right? Yes. Okay, so do you think education is important and simultaneously they need extra activities also important or not?
I think ma'am both are mandatory, because when you are educated, so you learn discipline from the school, because we all know we learn the discipline from the schools, and we get the education also how to manage all the thing. And like academic part is different, but you have to do the extracurricular activity that is really helpful for your children, for anyone else, because when you are doing the extracurricular, then you understand, you do the physical exercise by extracurricular activities, because I also sending my children to karate class nowadays. Their holidays is going on, because I want to do that, like they do the physical exercise. By physical exercise they are also maintain their health, because now people are just like their children also watching stick with the TV and watching the mobile. So we have to just avoid all the thing by the extracurricular activities, and they are also learning from other how to compete, how to survive in the world, how to surrounding people, their behavior, because in school they are not finding the ways like how to behave to each other and how to compete to each other. So that is why we have to do we have to give them extracurricular activities also must for them.
Yes, you are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
right, because kids only nowadays kids are only not depend on the education. Because we can see the means nowadays you can see the girls also, they are also playing cricket,
Yes,
they are right, they are
right.
also playing hockey, means so many tennis, so yeah, it's we need a physical activity also, otherwise our mind will like stuck
Right.
in a only one way, we cannot. And we kids will go out, so they learn how to challenges, how to face the challenges,
Right.
right?
And I want to add one more thing also. Whenever kids are learning some new skills, so they can find it out the ways. Might be they have some skills, so they can make a career in that skills also. Because whatever we are loving, so definitely we can make a career of that also. That is why we have to involve our children in curricular activities as well as education.
Yes, you are saying right. Actually, we need actually nowadays we need both, not only education.
Yes, because we are loving to everything. So it's might be if you are loving something, so it will be a make a career. That is
Yeah,
why.
you are saying right. Actually, I have seen in my apartment also, ma'am, means skating ma'am. She knows the how to skating, right? How to skate. So that way, she are also teaching the kids, and they are
Right.
also earning,
Right.
right?
She makes the profession of her loving things.
Yes,
Right.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
So
So, do you have any question? Otherwise, we
no,
will wrap up this that sessions.
no, I don't have.
Okay. Thank you so much for having me and for giving this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. And nice to meet you. Yeah.
Thank you to you also. You are giving me an opportunity, and in future we will connect again.
Definitely, ma'am. We will connect you soon. Catch you soon. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.